How to implement ISO 14001 for sustainable business practices, a step-by-step guide. What if your company could protect the planet while improving efficiency and staying ahead of competitors? ISO 14001 is the ultimate tool for turning ambition into action. Let's explore how this step-by-step guide can transform your business into an eco-friendly leader. Adopting ISO 14001 is about more than compliance. It's a commitment to the future. By minimizing environmental impact, your organization can align with global sustainability goals, appeal to eco-conscious customers, and cut unnecessary costs. It's a win-win for your business and the planet. With increasing regulations and customer demand for sustainability, companies can no longer afford to ignore their environmental responsibilities. ISO 14001 provides a proven path to eco-conscious success. Let's dive into how you can benefit and make a real difference. The journey begins with understanding where you are. Conduct a gap analysis of your current processes. Identify areas where your operations impact the environment, whether through energy use, waste, or emissions. This analysis helps pinpoint inefficiencies, uncover risks, and highlight opportunities. You now have a clear vision of where to improve and how ISO 14001 can guide you forward. Define what success looks like for your organization. Do you want to reduce waste? Cut energy consumption? ISO 14001 encourages you to set measurable, actionable goals that align with both your business strategy and environmental priorities. These objectives ensure everyone in your company is focused on meaningful targets that drive lasting change. Innovation starts with clear, ambitious goals. Your EMS will serve as the foundation of your ISO 14001 implementation. Develop a system tailored to your company's specific needs, addressing identified risks and opportunities. Through documented processes, clear policies, and control measures, your EMS ensures accountability and enables sustainable practices to become part of your business culture. Your employees are critical to your sustainability journey. Engage them in the mission by offering training sessions and fostering awareness about ISO 14001 objectives. Encourage their participation in eco-friendly initiatives. By involving everyone, you'll create a culture of accountability and collective success that energizes your entire workforce. Sustainability isn't just a side project. It should influence every aspect of your business. From energy-efficient processes to responsible sourcing, embed environmental thinking into your day-to-day operations. Partner with suppliers and stakeholders to extend these practices across your value chain. ISO 14001 inspires collaboration and creativity in achieving sustainable excellence. How will you know your efforts are making an impact? ISO 14001 emphasizes continuous tracking and assessment. Conduct regular audits, evaluate performance against your goals, and adapt your approach to maximize results. Make sustainability part of your evolution as a business. Keep pushing boundaries, improving systems, and reducing your impact on the environment. Finally, validate your hard work with ISO 14001 certification. Collaborate with a reputable certification body to showcase your commitment to sustainability standards. This achievement is not only a badge of honor, but also a competitive advantage in today's marketplace. Customers, partners, and stakeholders take notice when a company leads with action. Certification builds trust and loyalty. With ISO 14001, your business gains more than compliance. You'll save costs through better resource efficiency, boost your brand reputation, and ensure you meet environmental laws and regulations. These benefits aren't just good for business. They reflect your role in creating a healthier planet, making it a legacy worth celebrating. Don't wait to start your sustainability journey. By implementing ISO 14001, your company can inspire positive change, protect the environment, and build a better future. Join the movement toward sustainable business. Take the first step today and show the world what responsible leadership looks like. Get started today. Go to msi-international.com.